Hi, this is Yvette Francina from SearchSoftwareQuality.com here with Skip Angel at Agile Development Practices West. We were talking about large-scale Agile and some of those challenges and how we address those. Skip, can you tell us some of the challenges that people come across with large-scale and what recommendations do you have for them?
Yeah, I say, first of all, I say take an Agile approach to implementing Agile. Don't go all in. Start with a pilot team. Find something that is going to be highly visible, and we're able to start to see some of the results of Agile. Because what you're going to find out with scaling it is that there's going to be some challenges that you need to address before you start to bring other teams into it. The other aspect of scaling is we need to have what I usually call a transition team to be able to see, are we achieving our goals as an organization with the teams that are starting to get ramped up, and how do we have a game plan on how we bring the next teams up so that we have this rolling adoption that's happening. With scaling also requires a lot of coordination and connecting teams together. So now when you start to get a lot of teams going, you're starting to look at how are we going to manage our portfolio and more large-scale programs, and figure out how we are, by scaling teams, we're going to start to look at how we're doing alignment of delivery across all those teams. At the same time, as you start to get scaling going, you need to figure out how we reduce those dependencies across the team so that everybody doesn't get slowed down as a result of that. So you need to have some things in place like a transition team. Also, you may have heard of an Uber Scrum Master or Chief Product Owner, or Uber Product Owner, people that are looking at the efforts across all these teams, and also reporting progress of how all these teams are delivering across the organization. So scale slow. Make sure you reinforce that by addressing the issues that are happening across the teams, encouraging the teams to learn from each other, and providing visibility of how these teams are doing well before you move on to increasing the amount of teams that are adopting Agile.
All right, great, thank you.